So how do you confront is the question. When you get a beta trap is set for you and you step in it and you go off, right? And my answer is the last thing you want to be hearing, which is about the Navy SEALs. Because what is it the Navy SEALs do that could possibly have any merit, or usability inside your family? But they do have something. What happens is, with the SEALs, is when they have a threat, they have a saying, close distance, shut it down. Now let's soften this up and see if we can make it work in a family environment. When the beta trap or the bad behavior happens, right, we want to sort of have conversations about it and walk on eggshell. It's okay just to close distance, address the subject, and shut the trap down. Doesn't work for me. Doesn't work for anybody. It's not a social norm. We can't have it this way, because if we're doing crazy things that make no sense, then we don't have norms, right? What if I don't buy food for a week, right? That makes as much sense as not coming to a pickup for 20 minutes late without a message. So when these things come up, close distance on them, don't walk on eggshells, shut it down, and move on. And over time, that will tighten up, and you won't be stepping in more and more beta traps, lowering your status and take away really all your platform to be able to talk effectively, efficiently, happily with the people in your family. I would say when you ask somebody to say they're sorry, or does that make sense, or are we in agreement, you're taking away their autonomy and you're forcing them to say something, right? So I think you make your case, you try and attract them to a better way of doing it, and you leave it alone, right? There's no silver bullets here. Not going to work every time. But over time, these things will start to carry weight. So you want to make your case, attract them to a better way of doing it, and give them autonomy. And say, if we're going to be doing things in a crazy way, it doesn't make sense to me, but you got to decide for yourself. You're a big boy.